Didn't know till we walked in, it was karaoke night. She was in a circle of girls chasing a shot with a line. She was laughing, they were daring her to get on the mic. One of them walked up and turned in her name. Next thing I knew, man, she was up on the stage singing, "Heads Carolina, tails California." Maybe she'd fall for a boy from South Georgia. She's got the bar in the palm of her hand, and she's a nice country fan like I am. Hey, I got a Chevy, she can flip a quarter. I'd drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over. I gotta find her 'cause she had me. Hey, it's Carolina. Yeah, she knew every word by heart, didn't need no screen. No, I was raising my glass over her and saw her smiling at me. Yeah, she had me down in the front by the end of verse 2, like there wasn't no one else in the room. We were singing, "Heads Carolina, tails California." Maybe she'd fall for a boy from South Georgia. She's got the bar in the palm of her hand, and she's a nice country fan like I am. Hey, I got a Chevy, she can flip a quarter. I'd drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over. I gotta find her 'cause she had me. Hey, it's Carolina. Yeah, I followed her around and we talked till the lights came on. I still see that girl every time I hear that song. Heads Carolina, tails California. Maybe she'd fall for a boy from South Georgia. She's got the ball in the palm of her hand, and she's a nice country fan like I am. Hey, I got a Chevy, she can flip a quarter. I'd drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over. I gotta find her 'cause she had me. Hey, it's Carolina. Yeah, she had me. Hey, it's Carolina.
This is a tutorial for Heads or Tails by Johnny Brast. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags, no restarts. Does have one little ending and has ways to either make it easier or to make it a little more complicated. The choice is yours. When we get to those parts, I will show you the options that you can either change to make it easier or harder. We're going to walk through each 8 count with steps and counts. Do the whole wall with steps and counts. Then we'll go all the way around the room and you can practice it with the demos. Section 1 starts with your weight on your left foot. Step your right foot to the right diagonal, touch your left. Quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping left to left side, touch right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. Step right foot to right side, touch left. Quarter turn, stepping left foot to left side, touch right. You're facing 6 o'clock. On those turns, think of them less as this wall, that wall, this wall, that wall, and think of it more as like a gradual turning step touch. It will feel a little bit better. Let's try it with counts. Going forward, it's 1, 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. On that whole 8 counts, whenever you touch as if you would like to add claps, you can. Section 2. Step your right foot to the right side, step left behind. Step right foot to right side, touch your left next to your right. Point your left toe out to the left side, bring it in and touch it next to your right foot. Big step, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping left forward, touch right. On this wall, if you want to make it harder, this would be when on the vine, you can make it a rolling vine. So if you want to make it harder, instead of stepping your right foot to the right side, you're gonna go quarter turn over your right shoulder, so you'll be facing 3. Half turn, stepping back with that left foot. So now you're facing the side wall, quarter turn, and touch. So you'll just do that rolling vine. Counts for the regular vine. Stepping to the side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You end facing 3 o'clock. Section 3, step, lock, step with that right foot. Step right foot forward. Step your left foot behind and next to your right. Step your right foot forward, hit your left knee. Step back with that left foot. Quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot for the right side. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. Another quarter turn, stepping forward with that left foot. You'll be facing 9 o'clock and either touch or scuff your right foot. Section 3 with counts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On that turn, you want to think like you're walking around a half turn. So when you step back, turn, turn, you can over rotate that second step. It makes it a little bit easier. So instead of coming right to 6, you'll kind of be more facing 7:30. It makes it a little bit easier. Section 4, hopping out, out with that right foot. So they're kind of, it's an and count, so they're faster. So you're going to step out, 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 wait, step in, hold, step forward with that right foot, make a half pivot, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right, make a half turn, putting your weight onto your left foot, facing 9 o'clock, end of dance. If you don't want to do the pivots, you can just make that a rocking chair if you don't like to turn. Section 4 with counts. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. Let's try one wall with the words and then the counts, and we'll go all the way around. Step, touch, touch, turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, vine to the right, point out, in, slide, quarter turn, scuff, lock, step with a hitch, go back, quarter, touch, out, out, in, step, turn, turn. On those outs, if you would like to clap as well, feel free, all right? With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice the rest of the walls. Side walls, I'm going to do count. Back wall, I'm going to do the steps. Stepping forward with that right foot, feel free to add the claps if you would like. Step, touch. It's 1, 2, turn 3, 4, side 5, 6, turn 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, step, touch, forward. Now turn, step side, and turn, vine to the right, touch out, in, and quarter, slide, scuff, lock, step, lock, step, hitch, back, quarter, scuff, out, in, and step, pivot, forward, 1, 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the dance ends on the side wall. So to make that quarter turn to end at the front, if you choose, if you remember it, when you do those step half pivots, we'll be facing the side wall. Your second one will just be a quarter turn and then a step to the side to end at the front wall. So our last wall is over here, right? We'll be facing over here. You'll do step, half, and then you'll just do a quarter to step to the side, and that would end the dance. You'll be facing the front wall at the end of the dance, right? That is it. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. And practice with the demos, let me know. Thanks, guys.